Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing well. Now, today we are going to move to our new lesson from checkpoint 2, chapter number 4, measures and motion. So, we already learned measurement in our checkpoint 1, chapter 4, and you are learning it every year, and you know what are the measurements of length, mass, and capacity, and how to convert a measurement from one unit to another. So here we are going to discuss about metric systems of measurement. Okay. The most widely used system of measurement in the world today is metric system. Some another countries like USA and UK, they are using an earlier system called the imperial system. But here we are using the metric system. The metric units of length are the millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. So the metric units of mass are the gram, kilogram, and ton. And the metric units of capacity are millimeter and liter. These units we are already learning in our earlier classes. Okay, and we are using this system and we are converting the measurements to one unit to another unit, and we are finding the measures using metric system. We already discussed what are the metric units of length, mass, and capacity. Here you can see a table that are conversion factors of metric units. Means this table will show the relationship between the units of length, the units of mass, and the units of capacity. So if you want to convert a unit from one unit to another, you need to know the conversion factors. So using these conversion factors only we can change one unit to another unit. So metric system is based on 10. That means when we are converting a unit to another unit, you have to multiply or divide by 10, 100 or 1000. This we already learned. So when you are converting a bigger unit into a smaller unit, we will multiply by the conversion factor. And when you are converting a smaller unit into a bigger unit, you have to divide by the conversion factor. For example, if you are changing from kilometer to meter, you have to see the conversion factor. In 1 kilometer there are 1000 meters. So there will be 2 kilometer, there will be 2000 meters. So we are multiplying by 1000 because here we are changing from big unit to small unit. Like that you can do the conversions. Here I am going to explain the conversion of metric unit from one to another using these diagrams shown on the slide. Okay, here there are three different diagrams. Each one are showing the conversion of metric units of capacities, conversion of metric units of weights, and conversion of metric units of lengths. Okay, and this is clearly shown that the red arrows will show the unit from big to small, conversion of unit from big to small, and the blue arrows are clearly showing that the conversion from small to big. So what you understood means the conversion from big to small we will multiply, and the conversion from small to big we will divide. So you can use these diagrams to convert some questions which I gave down. You can see it. Okay. What is the question? First question is there are dash milliliters in 7 liters. This is you have to calculate in 7 liter how many milliliters are there. So 7 liter we are going to convert into milliliter. Means from liter to milliliter. That means from big to small. So big to small, see the converting metric units of length. Here, sorry, not length, capacity. You have to see the capacity. From liter to milliliter, what we will do? liter to milliliter, you have to multiply by 1000 because in between centiliter is coming. So we didn't study centiliter, so we have to multiply directly to make directly by 1000. So 7 into 1000 you will get 7000. That means there are 7000 milliliters in 7 liters. Okay, see the next question. How many grams are there in 3.55 kilograms? This is also you have to multiply because it is from kilogram to gram. You have to convert from kilogram to gram, means big to small. So 3.55. Only one difference is there. There are decimal points in this question. So 3.55 from kilogram to gram, what we will do? See the converting metric weights. You have to multiply by 1000. So kilogram to gram we will multiply by 1000. 3.55 into 1000 means the answer will be 3550 grams. Okay. Now you have to, third question, you have to convert the 0.3 meters into centimeters. That is also from meter to centimeter. So what you will do, if it is meter to centimeter, you have to multiply because it is from big to small. And see the converting metric lengths. Here it is clearly shown that meter to centimeter you have to multiply by 100. Is it? So what is the answer? 0.3 into 100, it will be 30. So how many centimeters are there in 0.3 meter? There are 30 centimeters. Okay. Now I will explain the small to big. Just opposite we will do. If we have to we have to convert from 7000 milliliter to 7 liter. So what you will do? 7000 milliliter to liter. Milliliter to liter. See the metric capacities conversion diagram. Milliliter to liter. We will go down blue arrows. We have to divide by 1000. Okay. Here it is given centiliter. We can avoid it. We will go directly from milliliter to liter. We have to divide by 110 means 1000. So 7000 divided by 1000, you will get 7 liters. Okay. So from milliliter to liter, you will divide by 1000. Same like that. From gram to kilogram, what you will do? Small to big. See the converting metric units of metric weights diagram. From gram to kilogram, see down gram to kilogram, what is shown? Divide by 1000. So 3550 divided by 1000, you will get 3.55 in kilograms. Okay. And the next question, convert from 30 centimeter to meter. How many meter? So 30 centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter, see the converting metric lengths of metric lengths diagram. You can see from centimeter to meter, there are we have to divide by 100, means 30 divided by 100, you will get 0.3 meter. So when we are dividing, we have to we will get the unit conversion from small to big. Okay, I hope you understood this one, and we are already doing problems with these things because in checkpoint 1 we already discussed similar types of questions. So that is coming in exercise 4.1 in student book and workbook that you have to do because it is like revising. Okay. Now we are going to our new topic in this lesson, units of area and volume. Here we are discussing about the units of area and volume. Okay, we already learned how to calculate area and how to calculate volume in our earlier lessons. Okay, so here we are only discussing the units of area and volume and the conversions. Okay, so for example, 1 centimeter we know it is 10 millimeter. So if the area is in centimeter square, if we need to convert it into millimeter square, what we will do? 1 centimeter square equal to 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, because in 1 centimeter there are 10 millimeter. Okay. So So if you are converting, multiply it 2 times, then you will get 10 millimeter into 10 millimeter, you will get 100 millimeter square. So when we convert a centimeter square into millimeter square, you have to multiply by 100. Okay. Similarly, when you are converting from meter square to centimeter square, you have to multiply by 10,000 because in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters. And similarly, 1 meter square, if you are converting into millimeter square, you have to multiply by 1 million because in 1 meter there are 1000 millimeters. Okay, have you understood? So using these units of area, complete the following questions. Okay, 6 meter square, you have to convert it into centimeter square. How you will convert it? 6 meter square equal to, when we are converting from meter square to centimeter square, you can see the above formula, 1 meter square equal to 10,000 centimeter square. So if it is 6 meter square, there will be 10,000 centimeter squares. So 6 into 10,000, 60,000 centimeter square.